Hello, guys and girls. Thank you so much for subscribing. I truly believe that if you spend 10 to 15 minutes on each of these tasks over the next 5 days, you will come away with a bit more knowledge of yourself. And to be honest, what have you got to lose, hey? So let's do this. So, firstly, you are what you eat. Okay, you are a summation of the people you spend most of your time with, so it's important to be conscientious of who we choose to spend time with. In addition, we don't just spend time with people we know or people in real life, we also spend mental time with people we watch on TV, people we read about, or people whose works we consume. Okay, your first task. Okay, list 5 people you spend most of your time with and why, and how they're affecting you, your behaviors, your thoughts, your life. If you're having trouble identifying 5 people you personally know, you can choose someone who you admire, someone you spend mental time with, like a book or a public speaker. Format your page like this. This may help you. Persons, 1 to 5. And are they a positive influence or a negative influence? Just a yes or no. Okay, then, who among these people do you admire most and why? Just take a couple of minutes to think. It doesn't have to be pages of in-depth information. Just something simple. And then 3 ways you can spend more time with this person. Okay, and we'll just leave it there. We'll leave you with this information for you to digest and to ponder over and just to think about. And until next time. So look out for your emails because there'll be another one coming your way tomorrow. Thank you. Cheers.